and thanks for coming back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. And this is going to be something really fast. I was telling Michael that a lot of times when people boiled eggs, you see you boil them, sometimes you want to add them up to salad. A lot of people just cut it in like long, regular slices, but sometimes you want to cut it like in little squares, and you don't have the tools but a knife. A knife can do. It has to be kind of like bold. I'm going to show you how my mom used to show me how to do these eggs. This is what she used to do. She used to go, put it on your hand, my daughter, and press with the knife slightly hard. You don't want to like go ahead and break it and destroy it. And with your fingers and with the back of the thumb part of your hand, you're gonna like hold it against each hand so you can see the slices, right? And then for salad, because my mom used to make a lot of salads, so she used to do this a lot. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna cut it like this across, see? One, and then one more time up here. Okay, it's gonna do that. And then go like this across. Just then go like that across, and you can cut them in perfectly tiny little squares. So I wanted to show you that if you guys want to practice, if it's a good idea, maybe you guys have a dinner or some get-together coming and you needed to put it, you can put it in salads, potatoes, whatever you want. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. It's very easy. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps someone out there. And I'll see you guys maybe later today with another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe or donate $1 or not. Thanks for watching.